Zentyal is a Linux small business server that provides easy administration for all network services. Currently, Zentyal is the open source alternative to Windows Small Business Server. In this video, we will show you the installation process. First of all, we will log in into the user interface using an admin account. This is the list of installable packages. We can see a full description of each package with all the features included. For this demonstration, we're going to select Gateway, Infrastructure, and Office packages. Now we have to confirm the selection and the installation process will start. After a few minutes, the installation is completed and it will step into the configuration wizard. The wizard will guide you through the configuration of installed modules. We can configure our network choosing external and internal interfaces and configuring the network addresses. Configuring and enable services like users and groups is as easy as clicking Next. Now we have to save changes. This is the last installation step. This process will allow to configure and enable every installed module based on your preferences. Zentyal is now ready to use. We can access the dashboard to see the system status. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration. To download Zentyal, please visit zentyal.org.